You certainly have said this once, or have heard someone saying that their hair takes too long to grow. So, if you want to learn how to make your hair grow fast and healthy, you came to the right place. Did you know that there are natural alternatives to strengthen your hair? Potato juice is one of these alternatives. Using potato juice on your hair will make it grow strong and healthy. But you must be asking, why is potato juice good for hair growth? Learn how to make this recipe to treat your hair loss with potatoes. Ingredients: 2 potatoes, a glass of water. Directions: to start, wash your potatoes and cut them into small pieces. Put them in a blender and add a little bit of water to help. When you get a puree that is not too thick, strain it into a clean container, using a cloth. This will separate the juice from the pulp. How to use: to stimulate growth and give more volume to your hair, apply first on your scalp, gently massaging. After that, pour the juice over your hair and cover with a shower cap. Let it act for 20 to 25 minutes, and wash with warm water. Do it every day, until you notice the results. After that, start doing it 3 times a week. Besides helping your hair grow faster, potato juice will give your hair an amazing shine, making it more beautiful and smooth. Did you know this recipe? Have you ever used a natural recipe to make your hair grow? Share your experiences with us.